Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I want to show you how you can create lucky game or lead lucky game. So you see somewhere in some gaming shop, you can go there and then choosing the number of right, and then press, and then when pressing the switch, then if the number of red is the same, you win. If it is not the same, you lose. That's it. That's how the semantic diagram working. So I'm designing the semantic diagram in the PCB here, and then I make the PCB layout here, and after PCB element, and I'm creating the cell here. You see there is a cell here, and then you can check the let me show you the something here. You see how is like I put in there the something, the whole for red, this one red 1 2 3 or something like that, and then the switch for the tiny end. Then you can pressing the push button, and then you selecting before you can selecting the to say like okay, when you switching, when you pushing the can say like number 2, and then when you switch getting the difference number. If it's same, win. That's it. And then you see I'm designing the small one, and then you can check it here. If you see, let me disable all these things, and then you can check the semantic diagram. It look like this one. And the thing I make, let's see how it is. Yeah, and then I think we can show you the thing. You see here I added this whole, and then you see how the shades look like. And the thing after this one, the semantic diagram, and then you see the main, I using the main two IC. The one is 555 and the other is CD4017, and this video is sponsored by Easyeda and the GIC PCB. And also I make the simulation for this one because I need to make sure 100% if this semantic can working, right? So let me show you. There's something I try to make the simulation using the Proteus. Let me show you. You see, I designing the same thing. You see, it's this one is 555, and then this one is 4017. Same thing like that. And the supply I telling you here. The reason why I use this battery here, because I need the supplying between 5 and 9. So here I use 2 because one battery. The series like let me show you here. You see the thing here. You see this battery holder. This battery holder is taking the 3.7 battery. So the 3.7 battery, 2 battery minus is getting the 6 point something, and then or 7 point something like that. And then so the way I for here for in the Proteus I putting the battery for the 9 volt, because I think you can using the battery from between 7 and 9. So and then I using the 10 red from here up to here is 10, and then the thing how to do, you can simulating, then you check, you see, and then when you're placing it here, you see, you can choose like when you say like the number 2, the red is supposed to be on. When you're placing it here, you see already I lose because I say D2 and then already number 2, because sometimes they putting like when you go to the gaming house, the like gaming house, the thing is this one, the logic they putting like 1, the number 1. Let me show you in the calculator. You see, like they putting like, for example, if they to play game we have to pay 500, and then for the first grade you have to pay the 0. You're getting the 0 or euros, and the second one. When the red come on the red one, sometimes you can lose, or you can getting the 0.5, right? So you're getting 250 you pay, right? And then sometimes they putting it's like D1, D2 is supposed to be like 0.75 like this one. Then you can all still you are under. You see the why the gaming house always they win, right? And then they can continue to say like, oh, I pressing this one is win, like, and then they putting on D10, the red 10. They putting like when you choose D10, and then it's okay, you will then multiply by 100 or 10,000. Like imagine you see like when you press the 10, you just 50,000, and then say, okay, let me go there, and then look here. Seriously, it is so hard to get the right of the D8 is so difficult. And then you see when you press again D2 0.7, still the house get money 2.3, and then even you, because you go in the gaming house, you need much money, you don't need the rest than your money. Then this one like 50% for the from red one up to say the main this time you can win. But then you see go back to you see still on D2 more 2 times or 6 times. That's why you press, and then you continue, and then you say like, okay, let me try to use the 10,000. When I fail, it's okay, because you need this button, this D1, D10 for the 15,000. Still bad, you lose more times. You see, at least on D5, it's okay, it's a good, but to get it, see, next time. You see how the game is look like. This game is so crazy, seriously. But at least you know how the logic and you getting the logic behind. And the logic behind this one is 5 timer, and this one uses this clock, the YSL. It's because they have the different clock and then something like that. So that way, like, have to shifting this time. You see how the deal is working like, right? So I think learn and they getting more things. So I think you get more things, you learn something from here. If you like it, you can press something, you can press comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then don't forget to visit on to go to get something like you learn more things about the Easyeda, and then you have to pressing the have to use the GLC PCB for the like GLC PCB for the pressing order to the manufacturer, bring the PCB something in node. They make the PCB, they make also the 3D model, they make many things, so you can go there and you can visit. If you like it, I think you will learn something important on this video. Thank you, bye bye.